Hello, IPB International students. Welcome to VECTA, Virtual Educational Creative Tutorial Room, IPB International. This is our virtual learning classroom which provides us with encouraging, accessible and flexible virtual learning experience. Today we will learn about an interesting subject, Academic Writing 1, specifically tips on writing academic article. The learning objectives of this particular video are identifying the characteristics of academic writing, conducting pre-writing, writing and post-writing activities. Let us get started.
Writing an academic article might feel scary and overwhelming. However, this lesson will help us to overcome those feelings. The purpose of this study is to enable us to have critical thinking about the topics and phenomena. We will be able to develop our research skills, collect data and gather information, writing academic arguments and expressing ourselves in writing. Before we jump into the three writing stages, pre-writing, writing, and post-writing activities, let us identify the characteristics of academic writing. Have a clear purpose. The academic article aims to answer questions or research problems. The most common aims in academic writing are persuasive, analytical, and informative. Audience engagement. All academic articles are intended to certain audiences, so we have to identify who are our target audiences. For example, fellow students, tourism researchers, tourism observer, and other audiences. A clear point of view. Academic article is not merely a list of facts or summaries from references that we read. We must provide our article with supporting arguments based on our point of view. Logical order. Academic writing follows a logical pattern or sequence, such as introduction, theoretical review, research method, results and discussion, conclusion and suggestion, and bibliography. An abstract is written the last, but it appears at the top of the introduction. Strong support. Each paragraph is supported by facts, examples, descriptions, and citations. Each citation must be written in bibliography. Citation style. Follow the proper citation style based on the instruction from academic writing 1 lecture or journal we are intended to submit our article. Text spelling. It is very important to know that there are no spelling errors in our academic article. Spelling errors will make the reader feel that we are not meticulous writers. The first stage in academic writing is pre-writing. There are 5 pre-writing activities to do before we start writing the academic article. Determining the topic of the academic article. Observe the gaps that occur from a phenomenon in the field we are interested in. Brainstorming. Discussion with lecturers, classmates, senior practitioners, and experts will help us to develop our writing ideas. Outline drafting. The ideas must be written based on the academic article outline. Reading. Read articles and books on topics that are relevant to academic article we are working on. We can access and download academic articles through the Indonesian Institute of Sciences, e-source of the Indonesian National Library, Google Scholar, the Directory of Open Access Journals, Science Direct. IPB International students can also access and download academic articles from the GB host. Consultation. If we have problem accessing or downloading academic article from these sites, we can certainly contact the Academic Writing One lecture. While writing, there are so many obstacles, such as not in the mood to write, writer's block, and so on. Check out the following 5 writing activities to prevent us from no mood to write. Finding the gap between the phenomena that occurs and the related academic article that we have read. We have to determine the similarities and differences between our research and the relevant previous research. Review the theory we use in our research. Use the appropriate research method according to the topic. There are 3 methods: qualitative, quantitative, and mixed method. Analyze the data and information and conclude the research. Besides, write suggestions for future researchers are required. Use reference managers such as Mendeley or Zotero to make it easier for us to write the bibliography. The post-writing activities such as revision and editing might be exhausting, but there are 3 benefits of post-writing process for our academic writing. The consultation with Academic Writing One lecture will help us to get some feedback on the academic article that we write. The feedback can improve our writing material, writing content, and technical aspects. It is also time to recheck the typos and spelling mistakes. Our academic article must be original. Citations are allowed. However, we must follow citation rules. Here are 4 tips what to do to prevent our academic articles from being blacklisted. Submit the source file of our academic article to our study program. A similarity checking instrument that is called Turnitin will be used to check plagiarism. The similarity result cannot be more than 20%. Consultation, revision, and editing will continue until the similarity is less than 20%. After this lesson, we are ready to learn how to present and publish our academic article in Academic Writing 2. Thank you very much for watching this lesson. Factor IPB International, your trusted virtual educational creative tutorial room.